Hi, good morning. My name is Rio. I'm an endodontist from Jakarta. How are you guys? I hope that you still love endo like I do. Because today I'm going to share with you another clinical case report of broken file removal using TFRK set by Woodpecker. What if TFRK stands for Terauchi File Removal Kit from Dr. Terauchi himself? Not only the removal of the file itself, but also 1 year control, so that I want to prove to you how the significance of the removal of the fragment inside the root canal to improve the cleanliness of the root canal system and promote healing. And first of all, I want to share with you about the TFRK set, because this set contains a lot of tools which can be used to retrieve the file inside the root canal. First, I love the TFRK one, means it has a loop so that we can grab the file by using the loop itself, and it is very easy, guys, for you to use it. You just grab the file and fish the file out from the root canal. It is very easy, and then you'll be given 3 different ultrasonic set, and this is very specific for creating the staging platform before removal of the file and inserting the loop itself. And also you will be given the modified gauge drill and also the endodontic explorer. So here you'll be given the micro endodontic explorer and good aperture removal, and it is very useful not only for retrieval of the broken file, but also retrieval of the remaining good aperture which cannot be retrieved by filing alone. So guys, I don't want to tell you more stories about this case, but you can try, you just buy it, because the price itself is not that expensive. Oh yeah, this case was done in mandibular first molar, so this is very common for me to find out, not even myself, but also some colleagues who happen to have the experience of breaking the file in the mesial root canal of mandibular first molar. So you must be careful when you are dealing with mesial root canal of mandibular first molar. So guys, I hope that this case is useful for you, particularly when you are dealing with such cases. And if you have any other question, please send your question to the comment section below, or just send your question to my Instagram account, because I will reply the question as soon as possible. Thank you very much for watching. Stay happy, stay super, stay awesome. Stay with me in this YouTube channel. See you in my next clinical case report. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. God bless you all. Bye-bye.